you strive to be like the market leader.
Yeah, it's word of mouth and in time. Only time can grow that.
Yeah.
Potential of the brand is what attracts me.
In the UK, when I first heard of Huepar, it was relatively unknown. I became to trust them through recommendations through social media. So joiners who I trusted were using the products, and then that turned me onto them. I'd previously used other brands, so like DeWalt and Lekia for distant measurers and lasers. But because Huepar are at a lower price point, you automatically assume that like the quality is going to be less. But subsequently using them in my construction business, and then the kind donation that they give to Burley College, it shows that they're high quality at a decent price point. So I think that's like really good, like to see the price doesn't always dictate the quality.
Vantagens, como eu mencionei para você, eu percebi qualidade, um produto muito bom. A marca no Brasil é o preço, o custo final do produto, ou seja, se você comparar um produto de uma marca concorrente com um produto Huepar, você tem muitas características, muitas qualidades que esse aqui não tem, porém o mesmo preço. Ou seja, eu tenho mais vantagem, tenho mais características, mais qualidade, mais opções nesse produto Huepar que esse aqui não tem, porém é o mesmo valor. Então, para mim, compensa comprar o Huepar. É um preço acessível, coisa que o outro produto não tem, na minha opinião.
I always got taught the old school way with spirit levels, which as time went on and I actually started using laser levels, it completely changed the game for me because of how not unreliable, but how difficult it can be to actually trace those levels around the room with a spirit level. And so with the 360-degree laser, for example, that goes all the way around the room, it makes my life as a tiler so much easier, just being able to rely on that laser and not having to second guess it and constantly check my levels. And obviously with a bathroom, even for a DIYer, being able to rely on a laser and knowing that your joints are going to link up throughout the bathroom, it's a massive pro. All companies want to improve their product and make them better and better when it comes down to a lot of practicality. But I think then on top of that, the fact that you have that philosophical aspect of it, where you don't just want to have, it's not just the selfish aspect of improving the product, but actually to do better, but we all live on is massive.
I think you guys are very professional, and the customer service it says a lot about that, right? So it's not like some brands where there's no customer service and unprofessional customer service. I've never had like an unprofessional experience with the customer service, which also really made me like kind of believe in the product even more. So yeah, you guys are very professional, and the image that you portray is you know, it's an affordable product that's quality. So I think that is like that is the image that you guys need to stand behind and keep.
So 100%. Like, so my experience with Huepar has been brilliant, and when I joined Burley College, they didn't have distance measurers or laser measurers, and it's such an essential part of like modern construction. And so the fact that we could facilitate that and get the kids using them was just amazing for me to be able to, in my short career in teaching, to be able to implement something so life-changing to them.
And I think in a partnership, you need someone that sees that, not only sees the product you have now and sees where it's going to go, so they're willing to invest the time into. I think the potential of the brand is what attracts me. Price point is low, but quality is high.
Mas na minha visão, na minha opinião, tem uma qualidade muito boa, que eu aposto, indico, recomendo comprar. E a minha visão que eu tenho é essa, que no mercado brasileiro é uma marca nova, mas com grande potencial de crescimento.
In my opinion, from what I've seen, the future output is over here rather than where you are at the moment, because you're going to constantly improve. You put in the money into the R&D, you put in the money into the research, which then it's not just the products you have now that are good, it's where those products are going to go.